Hi, I'm going to show you the hood type dishwasher. There was a wrong with the drain pump. Okay, let's see. This is the Angelo-Po dishwasher and it's a K900 model. And you see here is everything is okay. And see here the pressure switch is on, and now see here there was a drain pump. There is a drain pump. It was around something. I fix it. And this is the one, the wash pump, and this is the one, the rinse pump. Rinse pump. And the boiler is inside. You can see the boiler is inside. And machine is a new. See the model number. Is the chemical dosing pump. Okay, you can hear the sound. Now is a washing cycle, and temperature is 86 degree inside. Is a boiler temperature, and tank temperature is 40 degree because I put the manual water to start faster. See the control board, all the PCB contactor. Is a new machine, more than 1.5 years. Still very good condition. Cycle is completed, and is now washing cycle is completed. Is working now rinsing cycle. You can see here is a flushing. Once it's done, it will be stop blinking. See, is written here, and cycle is end. That is open door. Let's see how it is. It's good. Now is a start again. Okay.